this video, we're going to be providing an overview of the Interos connector into ProcessUnity. Here we can see an example dashboard that can be built to display the information provided by Interos. The 6 main areas that we're integrating into ProcessUnity from Interos is their 6 overall domain ratings of cyber, ESG, geopolitical, finance, catastrophic risk, and restrictions. Diving into an example here, we're going to go ahead and click on a third-party record. Now, this integration is established on the third-party record, and we can see some of the properties that get brought in through this Interos connector. In order for this information to be brought in, the organization ID has to be copy and pasted from the Interos platform and pasted into the Interos organization ID here. We can see here we can establish a button step to screen this vendor manually, or if this update flag is set to yes, it will automatically screen overnight. So let's go ahead and click the screen button here. We can see here an opportunity to enter in the organization ID, and we have defaulted the update flag to yes to ensure that this is run. At this moment, we can see that the screen has been completed. That update flag is updated to yes, and we can see that this has been run at this moment. As we scroll down, we're going to be able to see when Interos has been updated, in addition to when the screen was actually completed. We can see here that this was 6:40 a.m., and the last time this data was updated in Interos was at 3 o'clock the same day. Scrolling down, you're going to be providing an overall risk score from Interos, as well as some other attributes about the particular third party. Now, this overall risk score can be integrated into the methodology if needed. As I scroll down, we can see the 6 domains that is included within Interos connector. A special property here is the list of restrictions. So this correlates to the prohibitions and restrictions risk score. If this is a 10, or if there are restrictions out there, you'll see the restrictions listed here. And then other attributes about this third party as well will be provided inside of this profile.